Alright people, we're here at Myself Build. I'm quickly going to show you how to attach wood to concrete or brick. We're going to be using something called a concrete screw. I didn't know this existed 5-6 years ago when my DIY journey started, but now I do. We're going to use an STS hammer drill for this. You can use any hammer drill. I just find this one the best one. And also an impact driver. You can use a drill driver though. For demonstration purposes, we're going to go straight into this bit of block that I've got sitting about and this bit of wood. Stay away from the edges, and even though this is a masonry bit, we can go straight through the wood. Grab your screw and your driver. Sorted. You want to go for a minimum of 30mm penetration. These screws are 7.5mm in girth, so we want to go for a 6mm hole because we like it nice and tight. Just make sure you drill down nice and deep. I used to use these stupid things before. These are frame fixings, so like a massive raw plug, but they was rubbish, and everyone uses the concrete screws these days when you're doing like door frames, fence posts, window frames, anything like that. If that helps you in any way, smash the thumbs up button. Please do consider subscribing. I do how-to videos and vlog videos all about myself build. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.